Nestled in the Alaskan wilderness, the High Frequency Active Auroral Research Program, HAARP, has long been shrouded in an aura of intrigue. This facility, originally intended for scientific research into the ionosphere, has sparked endless speculation and conspiracy theories regarding its true purpose. From conspiracy theorists suggesting weather manipulation to military endeavors, the narratives surrounding HAARP are as varied as the Alaskan landscape itself. The High Frequency Active Auroral Research Program, HAARP, is a research facility in Gakona, Alaska, designed primarily to study the ionosphere, a layer of Earth's atmosphere that plays a crucial role in radio communication. HAARP uses high-frequency radio waves to temporarily excite a small portion of the ionosphere, allowing scientists to study how it affects satellite communications, GPS navigation, and military radar. Though initially funded by the U.S. Air Force, Navy, and DARPA, HAARP's ownership was transferred to the University of Alaska Fairbanks in 2015, shifting it to a civilian research center. However, HAARP has become a central figure in a range of conspiracy theories, particularly around the idea of weather manipulation. Some theorists claim that HAARP's powerful radio waves are secretly being used to influence weather patterns, creating phenomena like hurricanes, droughts, earthquakes, or even chemtrails. This idea, although scientifically unfounded, taps into broader fears about government control, military power, and the hidden capabilities of technology. The theory gained traction partly because HAARP operates with equipment that appears capable of impacting natural phenomena, high-power radio transmitters and antenna fields, and because the true effects of HAARP's technology are not widely understood by the public. Those who believe in HAARP's weather control capabilities suggest that by heating specific regions of the ionosphere, HAARP could theoretically cause a domino effect that would influence weather patterns lower in the atmosphere. They propose that targeted heating of the ionosphere might affect the jet stream or create localized weather disturbances, potentially redirecting storms or causing rainfall in specific areas. Yet, according to scientists, the energy levels generated by HAARP are far too low to have such widespread impact. The amount of energy HAARP emits into the atmosphere is minuscule compared to natural sources, such as the sun's output, and cannot induce large-scale weather changes. The ionosphere itself, where HAARP's radio waves are directed, lies around 50 to 600 miles above Earth's surface, well above the troposphere where weather occurs. Interactions between these atmospheric layers are minimal, making it extremely unlikely that any changes in the ionosphere could trickle down to influence weather. In addition, manipulating weather would require the consistent and precise application of massive amounts of energy over large areas, far beyond HAARP's capabilities. Despite the scientific evidence against the weather control theory, it remains popular among conspiracy communities. This may be due in part to HAARP's history of military funding, which fuels suspicion about hidden agendas. Some high-profile individuals and alternative media sources have also perpetuated the idea that HAARP is involved in weather manipulation or geoengineering. High-profile weather events, like hurricanes or droughts, are often cited as proof of HAARP's abilities, with theorists claiming that these events align with political or military objectives. However, correlations made between HAARP's operation and natural disasters are often coincidental or based on misunderstandings of both weather science and HAARP's technology. In short, the HAARP weather control theory remains a piece of modern mythology fueled by the secrecy of military research, the complexities of atmospheric science, and the human tendency to look for hidden motives behind natural disasters. Scientific consensus holds that HAARP's effects on the ionosphere are limited to small, temporary experiments that don't extend to broader weather systems or the Earth's climate. Despite a lack of evidence, HAARP remains a popular subject of speculation, embodying a blend of technological intrigue and suspicion toward government power.